what a beautiful day. What a beautiful day.
And a hot day.
And a hot day. Look at who this is, boy. Hey, what's happening, TNT gang? It is your boy Tony B and
Todd Burnett.
Oh.
I know I haven't been in a lot of videos.
Yeah, he hasn't been in a lot of videos, but like I said in the other video, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna force him to be in the videos. We're gonna have him here when he wants to be here, and today is such a beautiful day. He want to come outside, and y'all know what we gotta work on, y'all. Gotta work on the dash. Hey, I see y'all. Thank y'all for all the love and support in the last video. My man back here dribbling the ball. Hold the ball for a minute. Hold the ball for a minute. As y'all can see, that's all my imperfections. I put the little spot putty on there. I think it's called spot putty, whatever it is, glazing putty. And yeah, all we gotta do now is sand this bad boy down. Put another. Taz, don't you hear me doing the video? This is why we don't have you on video, because I'm trying to talk and you keep. Nah, I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, all we're gonna go ahead is knock this down with some sandpaper. I think 180 grit. Put another coat of primer on there, and then we're gonna put the bed liner, y'all. I don't know what a bed liner is, but I got it. And I got some semi-gloss paint I'm gonna put on there, and hopefully it'll turn out good. Y'all praying hands in the comments, praying hands, y'all. We're gonna get this thing looking good. I hope. Said, go.
My man.
All right, guys, I know y'all looking at this thing. It don't look no different, but I did go ahead and get most of the pinholes done. Now I'm gonna do what I'm gonna probably do is probably wet sand it. And then, hey, we got to put that bed line on there, man. Try to get that texture look. And I'm going to tell you right here, that's the hardest part to get. As y'all can see, I got to still do some shaping and, you know, trying to get that thing, you know, around the vents, make them look a little better. But, yeah, that's the hardest part. You know, hey, we do everything uncut. I let y'all see everything that I do right and wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and wet sand that with, I think 400-500 grit, and we'll spray that texture on y'all.
Come on, man.
All right. Yeah.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
All right, good morning.
Perfect.
All right, good morning, gang. Hey, I cheated a little bit. It's the next day, but yeah, I couldn't wait. I went on and sprayed some of the bed liner without y'all. It's looking all right. You know what I'm saying? You actually can see a lot more of the imperfection, but hey, I just thank God that it looked pretty good, man. It don't look as bad as I thought it was. And once again, this is my first time doing it. I'm not a professional. If you want to check out the professional, go and up there on the left hand corner, I'm gonna link Sprayway's video because he did it perfect, y'all. But let's go ahead and spray the rest of this bed line on here. And plus I didn't want to spray it in the garage because you know I didn't want to get any overspray on them. But somebody getting it, ain't they? Psych. All right, guys, let's go. All right, y'all, we put the first 2 coats, or well, just the bed line on her, the texture, and I'm gonna turn y'all around and let y'all see it. So what y'all think? I know it's not perfect. It's not perfect.
It looks perfect.
It's not perfect though.
Whoa.
But yeah, you kind of see some imperfections right in here.
I just came
There's some up in here, and it's not just super smooth. But you know what I'm saying, for what I do, which I'm an amateur, I'm not a professional, y'all. Once again, I'm just like y'all.
They're not.
So if I can do it, I know y'all can do it. So what I'm gonna probably do, I'm gonna end up probably putting a coat of paint on here, black paint, and I don't know, I'm on the fence of if I'm gonna put it clear on there or not. I probably should, because I'm gonna just put this semi-gloss enamel on here. You know, hey, Rust-Oleum, you cheap, you cheap.
Shut up,
Perro.
But yeah, we're gonna spray that on there and see what that look like. And go down in the comment section, let me know, should I put a clear coat on there? I know the clear coat will probably protect it, but I just really don't want it to be any type of shiny, because right now it is too shiny for me. But hopefully, I probably can go get some matte clear and put on top of here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this Rust-Oleum on here. I'm pretty satisfied with it, y'all. I'm pretty satisfied.
This looks really good.
So far.
this is slowly turning into
Perro.
Mierda.
Yes sir, yes sir. As I'm looking at this video, I didn't get no paint clips on here, but man, I feel so good that we got this thing finally finished, y'all. Hey, I just can't wait to put it in this truck after everything else gets done with it, man, and just be able to drive this thing, man. I ain't drove it in, I think, like 3 years, man. If you're new to the channel, man, I put a new engine in here. It's a new transmission. It's just a regular crate 350. And you know, now I'm just trying to spruce it up a little bit, you know, put some paint on it. We're gonna do the Rust-Oleum, you know what I'm saying, because I don't know how to paint, so I'm gonna just do it the cheapest paint I can do it with, man, and then we'll build from there, y'all. But man, I feel so good, man, because y'all know these dash pads aren't cheap, you know what I'm saying, but your boy, I fixed it. Let's say I had a lot of the stuff, but man, I fixed it for under 50 bucks, man. You can't beat that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Compared to the $300 you would pay for a dash pad, and you don't even know if it's gonna fit correctly. And this is one that came strong from the actual truck, y'all. So you know this gonna fit good, man. Oh man. I ain't gonna lie, I got a couple imperfections right here, and there's some on this end, but I knew, you know what I'm saying, you ain't gonna be seeing them too much when you put the dash in there. But you know what I'm saying, I'm a little stickler for, you know, little details like that. And plus, hopefully, the paint dry a little bit better. It's kind of tiger stripey, but you know, if I have to, I'll put some more coats on it to try to get those stripes out, y'all. But man, hey, go down in the comment section, let me know what y'all think, man. I know y'all been waiting on the finished product, man. Just let me know what y'all think. I just spit all on y'all, I'm sorry, man. But hopefully you guys like the video. Hopefully you like this long series. Next time, hopefully I won't do the series this long. You know, the painting, the truck, man, hopefully we can get that done with one video so I can drop that. And yeah, y'all can see the truck getting painted, man. Then we could probably get to riding this thing, man. Cause all I got left, I got the headlights, I got the headlight bezels, I need a grill, I got the bumpers. These bumpers are probably trash now because they've been sitting here for a while. This cowl induction hood is finna go to the trash because it was put on here the wrong way. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I could fix it. Plus I stepped on it, so there's a huge dent in it. So it's finna go. Hey, dang, then I forgot. We gotta do something about this bed floor. That's our biggest project, man. We're gonna put the paint on there and then we're gonna have to tackle that. Then after that, we should be about done, y'all. Oh, boy. But I'm sorry for how long this series is, y'all, but hey, your boy gotta do it whenever I can, y'all. You know, so I can't just do it just all at once, drop the bomb like Sprayway do. But thanks again, Sprayway, for helping your boy out. You gave me a lot of knowledge. Hey, if y'all ain't subscribed to Sprayway, I'm gonna put it down in the description. Y'all go check him out, man. He dropped a lot of knowledge, man. A lot of knowledge for us, man. But thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you guys have a blessed day. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay safe, man. You know, this virus that's going around, man, it's no joke, y'all. Just stay safe, stay at your house, you know, practice good, and good hygiene regimens, y'all. Just wash your hand, wash your butt, all that kind of stuff, y'all. But you know, y'all stay safe. I love y'all. Y'all take it easy. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool. Psych!